Right, this is another off-the-cuff video for our rusty lovers. Gavin is setting up some Delortos to test on our Pinto engine. We're going to test those to see if they work well. Big Red is having his brakes overhauled. I was driving the other day and the pedal went down to the metal without any stop power. Thankfully I was alright, but that brake cylinder exploded. So I've got the brake shoes off, been cleaning the brake shoes, the drum and the bits there, and somewhere here I have the new brake cylinders, so that's good. Kate is having her front end assembled, and I've just received a parcel from Tickover. Tickover are a Capri business, parts business, and let's see what's in here. Oh, some nice looking springs, 2-inch lowering. Right. That's the new springs. These are, whoops, sorry dude. These are Kate's original springs. Jeez, that's not 2-inch. Hey Gav, come and look at this, man.
I can see it.
That's like 4 inches.
Is that what you wanted?
I asked for 2 inches. What the hell? Maybe that's, I don't know. Jeez. That's huge. Kate's gonna be scraping the ground. They look nice, but very, very short. Something might not be quite right there. And we've got wheel bearing kits for the front. Yeah, I won't bore you with that. Some bearings and washers and stuff. Pair of new track control arms, I think these are called, or wishbones or something like that. Is that it? Is that all I ordered? I ordered some other stuff, but maybe that will come separately. Yeah. Also fitted one of these airline hose reels, where you pull it, and then when it clicks you can let go and it stays where it's supposed to. There's not much air in the system. And you pull it again, release it, and then let it dangle and knock your head on it. That's pretty much
studs
it.
ain't long enough to have all of that.
Oh, the studs aren't long enough?
That one is.
Oh, we'll just leave a nut and washer on it then, yeah?
Yeah.
And we're ready to fire them up?
I think so.
Okay.
I'm still not sure whether that is going to be the correct way, because I've had to get it all the way down to the bottom to get it look like it was shut on both. So it might need that changing.
Right. Okay. Yeah, it looks a bit.
There's no more adjustment on that to get, and I don't even know if they're fully shut yet. I can. They look shut, but they're probably not.
Anyway, I'll turn the camera off now because we've got to focus on this. So see you later, guys. We'll be in touch very soon. Yeah, some goodies there. Look at that. All luscious metal waiting to go on Kate.